Are you a PUBG Mobile or PUBG Lite player tired of getting blocked, banned or lagged into oblivion? All you want to do is drop into Erangel or Liveik, land that perfect headshot and suddenly boom, geo-block, high ping, or worse, this game is not available in your region. Maybe you're just looking for easier lobbies instead of sweat-fest ranked games full of esports pros. Whatever the case, you're in the right place. I'm Simon for Top 10 VPN, and in this video I'll show you how a VPN can unblock PUBG, reduce lag, help bypass bans, and maybe even sneak you into a slightly easier lobby. I'll break down how VPNs work for PUBG, recommend the best ones that actually deliver, and show you how to get set up fast. Before we drop in, if this video helps you out, do me a solid and hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more VPN tips and tricks. And yeah, smash that notification bell like it's your birthday. Let's be real, PUBG players deal with some brutal restrictions. PUBG Mobile was outright banned in India, and other countries have followed suit. Without a VPN you simply can't play, full stop. Even if it's not banned where you are, you might still suffer from high latency, especially if you're trying to squad up with friends abroad, internet speed throttling by your ISP, or just the need for more casual matchmaking. A VPN can fix all of this by changing your virtual location. Connect to a different country, and that's where PUBG servers will think you are. It's like strapping a teleportation device to your Wi-Fi. Here's how a VPN helps. It masks your real IP and swaps it for the one from the VPN server, and that tricks PUBG to thinking you're in a different region, which means you can bypass bans, potentially lower your ping, and maybe, just maybe, find a slightly chiller lobby. Example, in India, connect to a VPN server in Singapore or another PUBG friendly country and bam, you're in. Now that you know the why and the how, let's talk about the what. What VPNs actually work for PUBG? My top pick is ExpressVPN. It's my number one choice for a reason. Super low ping and blazing fast servers means no lag and no rubber banding. It has an absolutely massive global network with thousands of servers, including gaming optimized ones in Singapore and other nearby Asian regions, which makes it ideal for Indian players. It bypasses geoblocks like a pro and seamlessly works on both Android and iOS. On top of that, ExpressVPN uses strong security standards, doesn't log what you do online, and it has a kill switch in case your connection drops mid-match. Yes, it's a paid VPN, but there's a 7-day free trial and a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're serious about PUBG, this is the VPN to beat. ExpressVPN can be quite expensive for some people, so if you want something cheaper, CyberGhost is the one to use. It has a simple interface, it's easy to navigate, which is what you always want from a VPN. There's tons of gaming optimized servers, which helps with PUBG matchmaking and performance. And it costs a lot less than ExpressVPN. 45-day refund policy and many free trial options. It's not quite as fast as ExpressVPN though, so your gaming experience will suffer just a little. If you really don't want to pay for a VPN, then the best free VPN for PUBG is TunnelBear. I get it. Not everyone can justify paying for a VPN, but if you are looking for a free option, please ignore what the app stores push your way and go for something that's actually safe and trustworthy. Take it from me, someone who's tested more free VPNs than you've had hot dinners, TunnelBear is your best bet for a good, secure and free experience. It's got free servers in lots of countries, which is rare for a free VPN, and crucially there's no shady data practices. Your online activity stays your own. But there is a catch, of course. The free plan has a 2GB per month data limit, which is fine for testing and casual play, but not for daily PUBG sessions. You'll hit that cap fast if you're a heavy gamer. Still, the occasional match is solid and safe. Using a VPN for PUBG is surprisingly simple. First, download your chosen VPN app from Google Play or Apple's App Store, install it and open the app, log in if you need to, pick a server in a country where PUBG is available, like Singapore for players in India, then hit connect. Launch PUBG and you're in. Your real IP location is hidden, and you're free to play. If you're still getting lag or can't connect, here's some tips to help you out. Try switching to a different server in the same region. Some might be overloaded. Make sure your VPN app is up to date. Updates improve speed and help bypass game detection. And as always, turn it on and off again. No, really, you'd be surprised how often this works. Let's recap. What's the best VPN for PUBG? ExpressVPN if you want top performance, low ping and rock solid unblocking. CyberGhost if you want something effective but cheaper. And TunnelBear if you don't want to pay and just need a quick fix. And please avoid sketchy free VPNs. It's really not worth the risk of getting your data stolen. If you want more info or in-depth reviews, head on over to top10vpn.com. We've tested dozens of VPNs, giving you our honest opinion, no fluff. If this video has helped you, drop us a like, hit subscribe and let us know in the comments where you're playing from and how many chicken dinners you're on. Happy gaming, I'll catch you soon.